YouTube. I'm sorry I haven't been here in a while on the YouTube channel. We're back here with the 89 Chevy Silverado. It's a 2500, as you just seen. Got some stuff to be working on with that car. Well, with the truck, as I just threw my oil everywhere. It's okay, at least it wasn't open. Let's just hope I didn't lose any tools. Nope. Don't think. Anyways, this is just going to be an overview of the truck. Next video, I don't know if I'll show you the turning around of it, because I want to get it turned around in part 2. And then I'll get it parked back to how it was, just with the lighting and everything on it. It's not too bad of a truck. There's only, I had to do some motor work to it. Haven't gotten it running yet because I haven't tried to turn it over. Has a 350 Chevy throttle body injected. Some people call that a TBI, which that's what it's actually called. And the power barn, that's what we've got. Got a 350 Chevy, got a new battery hooked up and everything. Haven't tried to start it. I even got a little ahead of myself and put some washer fluid in it. Come on, open. Yep. I got a little ahead of myself. Do I have a little oil? Yeah, I got brake fluid. Yeah, it's a Chevy Silverado, 1989. Got put here. Needs turned around. Tires ain't looking too good. Then again, in part 3, I think we might be painting this if I get it running in part 2. But part 2 shouldn't be out too long after part 1 is out. But has chrome, a lot of it. Tailgate, yes, it does have a tailgate. It needs a lot of body work, but I figure I can paint it now because it needs painted. Got new auto light spark plugs in it. You need to change the oil in it. I couldn't get that filmed because my camera wouldn't work. Here's the tailgate, Chevy, or Chevrolet. Got a nice big dent in here. If you can see that somewhat. I don't know if you can or not. Yeah, like I said in part 2, we're gonna be trying to get this thing running. If my camera works, I don't know if I can or not. The bed needs a little alignment. The cab just got a bunch of tools and everything in it. Need to go back over it, clean it, sweep it out, shampoo the seats again. And I think I should be good on that. And the reason I say good, again, is just because it needs done. Again, I swept it out, I haven't shampooed it yet. I took the mirrors off because I was getting it ready for paint and figured I'd do that. Not in part 2 or whatever. Here's a mirror. And then I'm gonna get new mirrors for them because rusted out and they don't even match. I want to get both chrome mirrors because this thing I think is going to be a metallic or a matte. Its original color was a dark blue. I can see that because right there. But I should finish buffing this. Part 3, I need to figure out the wiring too. Part 3 is gonna probably be out sometime throughout the week. Other than that, if you like this kind of content, please give the video a like. Or if you like this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button. If you have anything to ask about the truck, put it down in the comments and I'll get back to you. Oh, that may not be good. We will not be dynoing this. I gotta make sure I can get it running first. If I can get it running and the wiring working, maybe. But it's a 350 Chevy. I think that's all I got here to tell you on part 1. And part 2 should be out not too long from now, because I'll probably film that tomorrow. But yeah, like I said, if you like this kind of content, like will it start and restoration projects and stuff like that, please like the video. It really helps out the channel. If you like this kind of content or stuff like this in general, please hit the subscribe button. Maybe this channel's the one for you. And if you have anything to ask me or tell me about the truck that you might know or that might help me throughout the build of this truck, please put it down in the comments. And see you next time.